Hello. How are you all? Hope you're all fine, doing great. Your families are also fine and enjoying life and eating well and eating healthy as well. Because eating healthy is the most important thing. You should remain healthy, you should remain robust and strong, and that way you're able to do better in life. So eat very healthy food, eat organic food, avoid processed food, preservatives, avoid them at all costs, and avoid chemicals, food with chemicals in it, avoid that at all costs. Try to, at least, because it's not healthy, and whatever is not healthy is actually putting you back in life. Okay, so today I have brought you the recipe of chickpea flour fritters, or gram flour fritters as you would call it. And fritters is a very famous flavor, a very famous snack from Pakistan, made in different ways. I have already uploaded a video about on the recipe of, I think, cabbage fritters. Yes, cabbage fritters. And I have also uploaded a recipe of sweet fritters. And these are made in different ways. So today I'm going to give you the recipe of um, normal fritters made with onion and other spices, and they are a hot favorite in Pakistan and a hot favorite during Ramzan also in Pakistan, throughout the year otherwise as well, but during Ramzan in every iftar Pakistanis do go for fritters normally. So not all, but say 80% of the Pakistanis, or 90% even, go for fritters in every iftar. So that's why I brought you the recipe of this gram or chickpea flour fritters today. And if you are not yet family members on this YouTube channel, please subscribe and become our family members. Quickly subscribe to the channel, like and share the recipe after you listen to it, and subscribe right now before we start off and I tell you the recipe of these chickpea flour fritters. Let me tell you first what we are going to need for these gram flour fritters. Of course, the first thing that we are going to need is chickpea flour or gram flour. This is half a kg of gram flour in the red pan that you can see here. Then we are going to need a lot of onions as well. These are 5 to 6 medium sized onions that I have chopped this way. You can also do that. So onions, chopped onions, and we need chopped green chilies, as you can see in the plate, and we need fresh coriander, chopped and washed, you can see in the plate there. And we need one egg also, I'll tell you how. And we need salt and red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of or 1/4 of a teaspoon of carom seeds, and 1.5 teaspoon of dried coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, black cumin. So this is all that we are going to need. Salt and red chili powder I did not mention the quantity of, because that is something that will depend upon your taste. You like more, you can add more. You like less, you can add less. It totally depends upon your taste. Yes, if you don't like green chilies, don't add green chilies. If you like green chilies and you like them more, you can add more green chilies, and you can minimize the amount of red chilies. It depends upon your taste, so do it accordingly. Okay, so these are all the things that we will need to make these simple chickpea or gram flour fritters. So to my gram flour I have added the onions, all the onions, the chopped green chilies, the coriander, chopped coriander, I have broken an egg and it's there, you can see there. I've added all the spices also to it. And now what I'm adding is water to it. Slowly and gradually, very slowly, very little amount of water. Add that and mix it up with the help of a spoon. That egg also is going to be mixed up in it. Okay. Do put in very little water initially, then very little water again, and then mix it up, because all of a sudden you will find it has reached the right consistency. And if the consistency becomes thinner than is required, then you won't get quality fritters. And when you don't get quality fritters, you won't enjoy them as much. Okay. And so I have mixed it up, adding little water to it, and you can see now I'm dropping down the batter from the spoon. The consistency you can see of the batter that I have got with me now. And on the other hand, I have put the wok on the stove with oil on it in it, and it's on medium heat. And I take a tablespoon of the batter and I drop it into the oil in the wok, as you can see me doing there. Okay, it's for frying the fritters. And you see, so many fritters have gone in. There are 2 in the first bake and they are frying, and I've added more to it, and I'm using a spatula to cook them, and they are cooking on the underside. And now in the second picture you can see they have been cooked in the on the underside, and I have toppled them over to the other side, and they are a little goldenish brown in color now. And because they are cooking, and I have used the spatula to turn them over. Okay. And I will be very vigilant in it. I will not leave them alone so that they do not get burnt. And I will keep toppling them, keep turning them in the wok, in the oil, and I will cook them from all sides. They will become a nice golden brown in color, or brownish golden in color rather, you can say. So a nice color they will turn into, and then when they turn into that color, they will be done. So I will be with them all the time while they are cooking. I will be toppling them, turning them over again and again. Okay, and I will help them cook from all sides. And here you can see my fritters are almost ready now in the wok. They are cooking from the underside as well. On the upside they are almost cooked. So I take them out now after they are cooked in my plate to serve, and look how beautiful they are looking. So your fritters are ready. You can serve them to kids and to grown-ups equally. Everybody will like them a lot. And of course you can serve them if you're fasting. You can serve them in iftar, and if you're not fasting, you can serve them as a snack with tea or with cold drinks also, depending upon the season, the weather. And you can serve them to your family, to your guests, to your friends, to your relatives, and if you have some hotel, to your restaurant guests. And it just depends upon your need and how and your wish as well. Okay, so try them, tell me how you like them, and give me your feedback. Your feedback is precious for me. Like and share the recipe. Do subscribe to the channel and become a part of our YouTube channel family. Be quick about it, and take care of your health. Take care of the health of those around you. Stay healthy, stay happy. Cheers.